Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to watch old stories on your Facebook using your laptop. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and type in www.facebook.com. Then you have to type in your login details and log into your Facebook. After you log into your Facebook, on your screen you can see at the top right corner, there's your profile picture. Tap on it and you have to go to settings and privacy. After you type on settings and privacy, you have to tap on activity log. Under activity log, on the left side of the screen, you have to scroll down and you're going to have to find the archive button, and from the drop down menu you have to tap on story archive. And guys, that's it. That's how you find out the old stories you have posted on your Facebook. I hope this video helped you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.